Okay, we have an equation here that is sometimes confusing, and if it's confusing, it's because you're overthinking, actually. Um, but let's just think through it, just like we have all of the other Xbox problems. We start with x, always. Not negative x, nothing, just x. Because this, we're trying to figure out what is in this box here. X. What does x equal? Okay, then we ask ourselves, well, we don't see multiplication or division or addition or subtraction over here. We just see this expression negative x. Negative x. Well, you have to ask yourself, what operation on x changes x to negative x? This negative x is really negative x is really just a simpler way of saying x is just x times negative 1. You could write it this way, negative 1x. The 1 is understood. It's x times negative 1. So what's happening here is x is being multiplied by negative 1. The result of multiplying x by negative 1 is negative 2. So to undo the multiplication by negative 1, we have to divide by negative 1, which means that negative 2 divided by negative 1 is what x equals. So x equals negative 2 divided by negative 1. And negative divided by negative is a positive. 2 divided by 1 is 2. So x equals 2. And the check is almost trivial. The opposite of 2 is negative 2, and that is absolutely true. Okay, so don't overcomplicate this little guy. He looks a little different because you have to recognize that that negative sign is just multiplication by negative 1. But once you realize that, it's not a big deal at all. Don't make it harder than it is.